It's really important that when you write copy for social for a brand, it's absolutely spot on. And that's what we're going to look at together. Remember you're selling. You can write the most beautiful, lyrical, poetic copy, and please do, the world needs more of that. But the reality is, if it isn't selling, if it isn't achieving the aim of the brief, of the brand, then unfortunately the copy's failed and you need to go back and do it again. Don't get overly familiar in your writing. It's really easy to forget that you're writing to a specific audience for a specific brand and to chuck in loads of exclamation marks, loads of emojis, and maybe let some of the language and the register kind of slip a little bit from the tone of voice. You have to remember that although in social you're that little bit closer to the audience, you're still writing for a brand and you still need to maintain that tone of voice. Sell benefits, not features. Again, a very general rule for copywriting, but crucial in social media. People get excited about benefits, about how the product or service can help make their lives just that tiny bit better. If you think about the classic example of the iPod, it was 1,000 songs in your pocket, benefit versus 64 gig of music capacity, feature. People get excited about benefits, not features. So that's what you want to sell. Don't use complex language. Again, of course, you'll see this in advice for other types of writing, other copywriting, but in social media copywriting, there's just no space. So keep your language nice and simple and easy to understand. You've got a restriction in terms of people's attention spans. You know, you're in competition with everything else on the internet. Don't forget your audience. By that, I mean make sure it's interesting to them. You're talking to them online in their own space, so make sure that when you show up, you're talking about something that's interesting to them. Obviously relevant to the brand, but make it interesting to that audience. So don't forget them, don't just keep talking about yourself, about the brand. Obviously that has to be slanted to their interest. Otherwise, again, they're just going to scroll right past you. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to find out more about social media copywriting, follow Domestika to find out more about my online course.